Hi, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for joining me. We're going to be doing an abs workout today, so grab a mat or towel, some water, and let's warm up. Okay, we're going to start shoulders down, reaching to the side. Really lengthen through the fingertips, keep those shoulders down, and keep the body facing front. That's it, well done. Next move, we're going to keep the elbows lifted and rotate side to side. Careful not to wiggle your knees, so we're keeping the lower body still and just rotating in the core. Good, again, keep the shoulders down, chest lifted. That's it, now we're going to reach to the side and the other way. Nice fluid movement. Good. Really reaching down. Nice. Okay, making our way to the floor, nice and smoothly down. We're going to start on our back. That's it, take your time getting down, making sure the knees are in line with the hips. The lower back is against the floor, so you want your pelvis nice and neutral. Take your hands to support your head, and we are going to crunch. Ready? So really small movements, just lifting the head and shoulders off the floor. We want to make sure that we don't really send our neck up, so we're keeping our neck nice and straight. Good, check in with that lower back, really squeeze that belly button in, taking those feet down, and we're going to reach towards the heels. So shoulders are off the floor, no tension in the neck. Good. That's it, next move. We are going to take our elbow to our knee. So make sure you're not just lifting your elbow, we're really getting that rotation in, lifting the shoulder up as well. Keeping the body nice and still, so not wiggling from side to side. Okay, next move. We're going to be tapping the feet down and then bringing them back up. So again, check that lower back. We want to make sure we're not arching. Really squeeze that belly button in. Nice fluid movement. Good. First round, we are going to go from the top with our crunches. So bring those knees up, in line with the hips. There we go. And check your shoulders are down, no tension in the neck or jaw. And small movements, just lifting up. Make sure here that your knees haven't creeped in either. We want to keep them really in line with our hips. Okay, next move, let's reach towards the heels. So focusing on our obliques here. And again, legs are still. We're just moving our upper body. Nice. Next move, elbow to knee. Going at your own pace. So if you need to go a bit slower, you can. Or if you want to speed it up for an extra challenge, you can do that too. Looking good. How are we feeling? Can we feel it in our abs yet? Keep it going. Okay, last move. Squeezing that belly button in, and we're going to tap down, bring those feet up. So really controlled movement, no swing. Really squeeze that belly button in. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. No tension in the neck or jaw. Well done. Right, we are going for our last round. Back into our crunches. Are we feeling it yet? You can do it. Keep going. Well done. Almost there. Ready to reach towards our heels. I know we're feeling it. Keep going. You've got this. Go elbow to knee. Keep lifting that shoulder up. Really getting that rotation in. Really good work. We are on our last move now. Tapping the feet down. Almost there. Just a few more. It, well done, and relax those feet down. How are we feeling? We're going to have a quick stretch. So coming onto our front, taking those hands underneath the shoulders, tuck the elbows in. We're going to push up and relax down. Again, coming up and relax down once more, making sure those elbows aren't going out. Down. Well done. Okay, we're going to come sitting, however's comfortable for you. Big reach to the side and the other way. Okay, take those arms up and give yourselves a big clap. Well done, well done.